Two of the world's largest technology companies each announced they're spending tens of billions of dollars in a single year, not on new smartphones, not on social media platforms, and not on consumer gadgets, but on buildings filled with servers, advanced AI chips, networking equipment, and power systems. Now multiply that across nearly every major tech company. Suddenly, you're looking at one of the biggest investment waves the technology industry has ever seen. It's an AI infrastructure race that could eventually exceed $1 trillion, and despite the staggering numbers already being reported, the reality is that this race is only beginning. Artificial intelligence has created something the technology industry hasn't experienced in decades. Instead of competing mainly through software, companies are now competing by building physical infrastructure at an unprecedented scale. Every AI model depends on computing power. Every AI assistant, image generator, coding tool, or business application runs on enormous networks of servers inside data centers. Those facilities require advanced processors, high-speed networking, sophisticated cooling systems, and massive amounts of electricity. Without that infrastructure, AI simply doesn't exist. That's why companies are spending so aggressively. Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta have all significantly increased their capital spending in recent years, with AI infrastructure becoming one of their biggest priorities. Billions of dollars are flowing into new data centers, AI chips, networking equipment, and cloud capacity to support growing demand for artificial intelligence. This isn't spending for the next quarter, it's spending for the next decade. Technology leaders believe AI will become a core part of nearly every digital product, from search engines and office software to healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, and customer service. If they're right, today's investments could determine tomorrow's market leaders. One of the biggest reasons this race has become so expensive is the sheer computing power required by modern AI. Training advanced language models involves processing enormous data sets across thousands of specialized processors working together continuously. Even after those models are trained, serving millions of users every day requires another enormous layer of infrastructure. Every question asked, every image generated, and every document summarized consumes computing resources. As more businesses and consumers adopt AI, demand for those resources continues climbing. That creates a cycle of constant expansion. More users require more computing power. More computing power requires more chips. More chips require larger data centers. Larger data centers require more electricity, cooling, networking, and land. Each step adds billions of dollars to the overall investment. The semiconductor industry sits at the center of this expansion. Advanced AI processors have become some of the most valuable pieces of hardware in the technology world. Demand remains exceptionally strong as cloud providers, enterprise customers, and research organizations all compete for access to the latest generation of AI chips. This demand has encouraged manufacturers to expand production while technology companies increasingly develop custom processors designed specifically for their own AI workloads. The race isn't only happening inside data centers, it's spreading across entire supply chains. Construction companies are building new AI campuses. Utilities are expanding electrical infrastructure. Fiber network providers are increasing capacity. Cooling technology manufacturers are introducing more efficient systems. Engineering firms are designing facilities capable of supporting future generations of AI hardware. The ripple effects extend far beyond Silicon Valley. Energy has become one of the biggest challenges in this race. Modern AI infrastructure consumes significantly more electricity than traditional cloud computing. Some of the newest data centers require power comparable to that used by small communities. As a result, technology companies are signing long-term energy agreements, investing in renewable power projects, supporting grid expansion, and exploring advanced energy technologies to secure reliable electricity for years to come. Power is no longer just an operating expense, it's becoming a competitive advantage. Another interesting development is that businesses outside the technology sector are accelerating AI investments as well. Banks are deploying AI to improve customer service and detect fraud. Healthcare providers are using AI to support clinical workflows and administrative tasks. Manufacturers are optimizing production lines. Retailers are improving inventory management and customer experiences. Each new AI application increases demand for cloud infrastructure, creating even more pressure to expand computing capacity. That is why analysts increasingly view AI as a long-term infrastructure story rather than simply another software trend. Of course, this level of spending carries substantial risk. Building enormous infrastructure before demand fully matures has challenged industries in the past. If companies overestimate adoption or if AI services generate lower than expected returns, some investments could take longer to pay off. Executives understand that possibility, yet they also recognize an even greater risk: falling behind. No major technology company wants to discover 5 years from now that competitors built the infrastructure needed to dominate the AI economy while they waited on the sidelines. That fear is accelerating investment across the industry. Another reason the race is still in its early stages is that AI itself continues evolving rapidly. Models are becoming more capable, more efficient, and increasingly integrated into everyday software. As those capabilities expand, demand for computing infrastructure is likely to grow alongside them. The next generation of AI applications may require even greater processing power than today's systems. That means infrastructure built today may represent only the first phase of a much longer expansion. Consumers are already beginning to experience the results, now include AI features that were almost unimaginable only a few years ago. Behind every one of those features is an enormous network of hardware working continuously to deliver fast, reliable responses. Most users never see that infrastructure, but they depend on it every time they interact with AI. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of this story is how quickly priorities have changed. Not long ago, technology companies competed primarily by launching new apps and services. Today, they're competing to build larger AI campuses, deploy more advanced processors, expand cloud capacity, and secure long-term energy supplies. The conversation has shifted from software alone to the physical foundation that makes AI possible. That's why the trillion-dollar AI infrastructure race is just getting started. The biggest investments aren't being made to support today's demand alone. They're being made in anticipation of a future where artificial intelligence becomes as essential as the internet itself. Whether that future arrives exactly as companies expect remains uncertain, but one thing is already becoming clear. The winners of the AI era won't simply be the companies with the smartest software. They'll be the ones with the strongest infrastructure powering it. And with billions of dollars still being committed every quarter, this historic race is only entering its opening chapters.